GoDaddy's Virtual Private Server VPS Hosting. GoDaddy offers virtual private server VPS hosting solutions designed to provide flexibility, performance, and control for users seeking more robust hosting environments. 1. Overview of GoDaddy VPS Hosting. GoDaddy's VPS hosting plans cater to a range of needs, from small businesses to larger enterprises requiring dedicated resources. These plans offer scalable resources, allowing users to adjust CPU, RAM, and storage as their requirements evolve. Second key features of GoDaddy VPS hosting. Scalability. Easily upgrade resources such as CPU, RAM, and storage without the need for manual migrations. Operating system choices. Select from various operating systems, including Linux distributions like CentOS, Ubuntu, and Debian, as well as Windows Server options. Control panels. Opt for cPanel WHM or Plesk Obsidian Web Host Edition to simplify server management tasks. Root access. Gain full root access to configure your server according to your specific needs. Security. Benefit from DDoS protection, SSL certificates, and 24/7 network monitoring to ensure server security and reliability. 3. Managed versus self-managed VPS hosting. GoDaddy provides two levels of VPS hosting management. Self-managed VPS hosting. Ideal for users with technical expertise, this option offers full control over server configurations and management. Fully managed VPS hosting. Suitable for those preferring a hands-off approach, GoDaddy's experts handle server maintenance, monitoring, backups, and updates. 4. Pricing and plans. GoDaddy's VPS hosting plans are structured to accommodate various performance needs. Standard performance plans. Designed for budget-conscious users, these plans offer essential resources suitable for moderate workloads. High-performance plans provide increased memory, CPU, and storage capacities to support more demanding applications and higher traffic volumes. 5. Customer support. GoDaddy offers 24/7 customer support to assist with server management, troubleshooting, and other hosting-related inquiries.